Hello everybody, welcome back to At Home with the Sevies. Today's video is a extreme messy cleaning video in the kitchen. I didn't do the floors, I did those on a different day, but I didn't film it. But I hope this still gives you motivation. And please leave comments as well and ask me questions, and I usually get back to them. And like and subscribe if you are new and you like the motivation that this video is giving you. And go to my Instagram and follow me. It's always in the description below. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching ahead of time.
Despite the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed, and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. On a woman, just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. If you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, I had a million different things to do, and every one of them included you. We had a million different things to do. What can I say? Well, I've been lonely too. Lying on my own, the sheets are covered in your scent. Really tried to fall asleep, but I can't understand. Though we both felt kinda lonely, I still always thought you loved me. When I tried to let it go, the sheets are covered in your scent. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh, but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh, if it was never what you wanted, we've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand.